Hi friends, I am Laila Banerjee from Laila's Creations. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a ear cuff again. I am making this with my brush wire. I am going to make the pair of this ear cuff. It's already done, and now I am going to make another pair. This design is very simple and the making is very easy. I think everyone can do it well. I am just making a loop here in the top of my wire. You have to bend it a little more, and then you have to measure the ear size. It's not a fixed size because you have to know the exact size of your ear. Otherwise, it can't sit in your ear. So at first you have to measure the size of the ear you making, and then make a loop here also in the end of the wire. And the base is ready now. I am going to make a flower on the top, so I chose this black bead. This is a lava bead, lava stone bead. I will add the stone with this 26 gauge wire. Set the stone tightly and then cut the extra wire. After adding this lava bead, I am going to add some 4 mm crystal beads around this lava bead like a flower. So I am wrapping this 26 gauge wire in the base wire. You have to wrap it 2 to 3 times and then add these crystals. Then insert the wire in the first crystal and close the circle. Make sure the circle is tight enough. Now with this same wire, you have to wrap 3 crystal beads in front of the flower and then 2 crystal beads in the back, and in this way I make my flower. My camera is not covering the whole process. I'm sorry for that. It's a big problem for me. Whenever I am very busy with the work, every time I lost the focus of the camera. If anybody has any suggestion, please comment in the comment section how I could focus my camera in my work. Please suggest me if you have any suggestions regarding this. After wrapping the whole flower, I am going to secure this wire with my base wire. I am wrapping this base wire 2 to 3 times and then cut it off. And it's done. Now I am going to make the danglers. I chose these drop shaped crystals and 4 centimeters of 220 gauge wire. Just make a loop on the top and straighten the wire, and then insert the drop shaped crystal and then make a small loop here in the end of the wire, and that's it. I am making 2 danglers. And just add them in the lower loop of the ear cuff, and that's it. Do you like the design? Please comment, and if you like it, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. Wish you all a very happy life. Have a nice day. Tata for now. We'll come back soon with my next video.